At the True Juice Cross Country 5K. Come on out June 7th to the True Juice Orchards and run, walk, or cycle for healthy hearts. Your contribution will help with the early detection of heart disease and other heart abnormalities. It's a run for life. So have a heart, save a heart. Play your part at the True Juice 5K.
Huh? No.
In fact, you can get a loan for any purpose using your property. There are some other exciting loans too. The payday loan, the help out your situation, or if you have an emergency, the debt consolidation loan. With all of your debts into one low monthly payment, and the motor vehicle loan for any age vehicle with rates as low as 9.95%. All these are competitive interest rates that give you some money in your pocket at FHC Credit Union.